Hey everyone, welcome back to Talkin' Tech, where tech makes sense. If you're new around here, my name is Tony, and my goal is to provide you with practical tech tips and reviews. In today's video, I'm going to show you the add-ons you must have for your Fire TV. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to kind of go over a high-level overview of these applications here on this device. I will link more of the information in the comments down below, so just kind of stay tuned for that and just kind of watch what I'm doing here. The first one I want to show you tonight is an app called Mobdro. Now, some of you may be familiar with this. I know the first I'd heard about it was for my cell phone, actually. This is just kind of an adaptation for this. I mean, the Fire TV is very similar to that. Let's go ahead and jump into the app here. So here it is installed on my Fire TV. I'll just go ahead and open it up. In here, it kind of gives you a few options. You can go channel, news, shows, movies, sports. The big benefit to this application is the ability to watch live streams. Now, there are other apps for watching, content that's hosted. This is the best one, in my opinion, for watching live TV. If you've completely cut the cable and cut the cord, this is probably going to be one of your best friends if you still like watching live TV. Let's just go ahead into the channels here, and I'll kind of give you a little quick rundown of what we've got. As you can see, it has your basic, what I would say basic cable channels here. It's nothing real mind-blowing, but it does provide an option to watch your live television. We'll just go in here and I'll open up ABC real quick. I won't watch anything. So as you can see, it plays live TV. It works fairly well. Let's go ahead and move on from this app. We'll go back to the home screen here. And we'll find my next favorite app, which is one that I've used quite a bit actually. It's called Kodi. I know this has gotten a lot of traction with, Raspberry Pis, things like that. This isn't exactly groundbreaking either. I know that this one probably is one of the most well-known side loads that you can do for this kind of feature. Go ahead and get this booted up here. It's been a while since I've logged into this, so I'm not sure if there's going to be any updates or anything for me to do, but we'll get a look at the real interface here, and I'll kind of show you a quick search and how I use it. Let's say I wanted to go and find a new movie that I hadn't seen yet. I'm already highlighted on movies, so I'll just go ahead and select that. And as we load in here, yeah, it does look like it is doing a few updates. This is going to be the main interface for searching Placenta, which is one of the providers for the movies. I'm going to go ahead and here into search. And as you see, I have a few search histories here. One that I definitely know works is Super Troopers. Let's open Super Troopers. We'll go ahead and search this. Now you can search by genre, that kind of a thing. And this is, this is a real high level overview of it. I would like to watch Super Troopers 2. So we'll scroll over to that, click on that, and as you can see, it does have a checkbox because I have watched it. What this is doing right now, this is searching to find what streams are out there, what versions are out there. Now, I will say one thing about this. It's not the fastest. I am on a Fire Stick So it is, it's limited resources. I'm sure if you had a faster device, this would be a lot quicker to use, but it's not unusable. Now that we've gotten this list to load, we can go through and pick a stream. As you notice, it does show what the resolution is. Now, I believe I've used the DivX crawler one, which is 1080p, and that worked just fine. So from this point, you would just select your stream and it would play just like you were watching a movie. It is pretty slick and I highly recommend it. Let's go ahead and navigate back to the home screen and I'll show you our third and final app. This next app is relatively new to me, but it looks very promising. Now, like I said, it's new to me, so I haven't used it a lot. Let's go ahead and open it up here. It is called CinemaHD, and as you can see, it has a very remote-friendly interface. This is very similar to how my Plex media player looks, how it has the posters and everything sorted by that. If we go up to the top here, we can choose how we want to sort all of this. We can sort by trending, popular, top rated, airing today, on the air. If we go to the left and click the 3 lines, we can choose what category we want to look at. Now the big one to me for this one is probably going to be movies. I do, since I still have DirecTV now, I don't necessarily need the live TV very much. However, this is a huge thing to me. As I mentioned previously, I do have a Plex media server. However, I've kind of let that go by the wayside just because it's so much upkeep. This is a much simpler way, I believe, to manage watching movies. This is something that I could give to my 60-year-old mother and have her go after it, which I'm actually probably going to do. This is a really nice, neat, clean interface. I'm really impressed with the development of it, how it looks, how it moves. We'll just go in here to one of my favorite movies probably of all time is Christmas Vacation. And as you can see, it provides a nice interface and you can play it, you can download it, and you can watch the trailer. Now, I have a Fire Stick and I believe those have about 8 gigs of memory or of storage, excuse me. So downloading isn't exactly the best option, but I am able to play it. If you scroll down here, you will have the option of choosing what source you want to try. Now it doesn't look like any of them are super high quality. However, it's an old movie. How bad is it going to look? That is about all I have for you. I hope you enjoyed finding out what Fire TV apps I think you should have for your Fire TV. If you did, make sure to hit that like button. If you enjoy the content, please hit that subscribe button because I'll have regular uploads for you. Again, thanks for watching. Have a Merry Christmas.